If you are into option trading or building algo strategies, you already know how quickly the market can shift. One moment it is bullish and the next it turns bearish. Most algo trading platform would require you to build a separate strategies for each of the scenarios and have to monitor them individually. But Quantman changes that with a smart and simple solution. With the multiple case feature available, you can define up to 10 different cases with a single strategy. Each of these cases can have its unique conditions, either complementary or completely different strategies. The system evaluates them and automatically executes the one that becomes the valid first. So in this video, we will explore this in detail along with the steps to access it easily. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So what exactly this multiple case feature is? It is a powerful tool that lets you include different conditional blocks inside a one single strategy setup. Now you can define separate cases for bullish, bearish and also range-bound market conditions. Each case acts independently and when its specific condition is met, the trade execution for that strategy is triggered. The beauty of this setup is that it keeps your logic clean and contained with only single strategy file. To understand how this works, let's take a simple example. In case 1, give conditions for entry as current close crosses above range breakout high and current close is above pivot R1. This is a bullish directional strategy. Then in case 2, give the entry condition as current close is below pivot S1 and the current close is below EMA. This is a bearish directional strategy. For case 3, configure the entry condition as time of the day is above 11 o'clock and the current close is below range breakout high and current close is above range breakout low. This is a non-directional strategy. For example, let's say case 1 and case 2 didn't generate any signal till 11 am, then we are confirming the price remains with a certain range. Similarly, you can add more cases like one for range breakout condition or another for high volatility scenarios. You can add up to 10 different cases in a single strategy. The system continuously evaluates your defined cases and whenever one of them meets its criteria, it executes the conditions of the matched case. If that particular case's transaction is in progress, Quantman will not consider any other case's signals even though the condition is met. Only after the ongoing transactions is completed, the algorithm will consider the next signal for execution. But it is important to note the significant trades depends on the maximum transaction per day limit. Now let's talk about the key benefits of using the multiple case in your strategy. First, it gives you flexibility. You no longer need to create and manage multiple strategies separately for different market conditions. Everything stays inside one framework. Second, it improves efficiency. With fewer deployments and trading solid signals, you avoid trading overlapping and similar strategies simultaneously. Third, it brings clarity. All your logic is centralized, making it much easier to maintain, update or debug. Fourth, it helps to prevent overtrading and prioritize strong signals while ignoring others, as it first focuses on the conditions that create the signal. There are also few important things to keep in mind. While having multiple cases is powerful, adding too many without clear separations can create complexity. So it is essential to be precise when writing your rules. And most importantly, backtest thoroughly. Use Quantman's backtesting tools to understand how each case would have performed historically. This will help you to understand which case is likely to trigger and how well it performs under different market scenarios. Start by creating a new strategy in Quantman's backtest or algo page. Then enable advanced tab box. Add your first case and then define your entry conditions such as with the technical indicators and then specify the corresponding trade action. You can clone the case for editing complementary strategies or add more cases, each with its own defined independent logic and response. Finally, run as a backtest to verify how the strategy performs across the market conditions. Make sure that each case is functioning as expected. With Quantman's multiple case feature, now it allows you to consolidate the multiple trading logic into a single strategy. It is an ideal solution for traders who want more control, more clarity, and better automation in their setups. Hope these videos find useful for you. For more such videos and updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And here is a question for you. If you were to build your own multiple case strategy, what would your 3 top cases be? Share them in the comment section. I might pick a few of your ideas and build a live demo in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.